Well, 6:15 a.m. guys. Still dark outside. Kyle just got to the ramp, about to load his kayak into the truck, and we're gonna head up to the put-in ramp, guys. We are fishing the second annual Kicking Bass for Troops kayak tournament here in Tennessee, and yeah, so I figured this was a perfect tournament to fish today. Yesterday was September 11th, a very big day in U.S. history, so I figured today fishing that tournament would be awesome. Supports our troops, so yeah, so we're gonna head up here. Anytime that we can fish this river, I'm gonna take advantage of it, guys. And I've got, counting this tournament, I've got 3 tournaments coming up in the next 20 days or so that I'm gonna get to fish this river, so it's pretty awesome. It's gonna be Kyle's first ever kayak tournament, so we're gonna get loaded up, guys. We're gonna get up here and hope today that the river's gonna be good to us. She's been a little stingy here lately, but has given us about 1 good fish each trip. Hopefully today we can find that 1 good fish and add a couple with it, guys. So we'll see y'all at put-in. We gotta wait on this sun to come up here another 30 minutes or so, and then it's time to take off, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it started. Yeah. All right, guys, it begins. It was lines in at 6 a.m., but it was just too dark to get on the river. It's almost 7 now, so we kind of took our time getting up to the ramp, unloading, and we are in the water now. So I'm gonna start out this morning with a whopper flopper. Oh yeah, and the minimum size bass is 10 inches. So it shouldn't be very hard to catch a limit. I hope not anyways. Fish on. Already got our first fish, and it's gonna keep. He's not big. We got him. See? Didn't even get a picture of him. He's gone. Yeah, he jumped off 12.5 inches. Didn't even get a picture. That's what I'm talking about right there. You gotta put him in the floor. I wasn't worried about it because he was only 12.5 inches, but still, I mean, if we struggle today, that fish could have made a difference. We missed it. We missed it. Oh, that was a good fish. I knew there'd be a fish sitting up there. Got eye on him. That one blow up on the whopper flopper right there. Missed it. He completely missed the flopper. There he is. Got him, guys. That's a good fish too. Oh my God. I got it. That's the fish that just missed the popper. It's a tank. Get in that net, baby. Oh, let's go. That's a good fish. Calm down, bro. Calm down. That's a really good fish. I gotta get up here and butt up it on the tip of this thing. We'll take that all day. Golly. That's how you get all tore up. I need to get some good gloves. 17 1/4, guys, for our first fish. I'll take that all day. Tearing my hands up. 17 1/4. Not bad. 17 1/4. Let's let her go. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, it's a big one. I said it was a big one. Yeah, pretty big. I can't tell you, Kyle, because if I do, then you're gonna get all antsy and you're gonna be like, fuck, I gotta catch one bigger, like that right there. Please be on there. Did you get off? No, he's on there. Come on, dude. Oh yeah. Dude, I might have foul hooked something. I don't know. Please be a smallmouth. If it is, it's halfway decent. It ain't like a giant. It's a smallie, but it could definitely help. Nope. Yeah, it's a smallie. Yes, sir. I'll take it. Oh, he's got a jack. Oh my lord, dude! This poor little guy's been yanked to pieces. I'm just glad he didn't get hooked on that side. Put that little dude in the water real quick. Snap a picture of him. $15.25, number 2. He touched 15.5, but I couldn't keep his tail there, so 15.25. There he is. Decent little guy. That was 11.25, guys. Not very big, but I guess we might as well put everything we can on there just in case. Astle. No, I don't think that's it either. Another little one. Got it. Oh, look at that. Little dude. Right at the kayak. Little guy. Oh, there's a fish on there. Dang, I didn't even realize it. He's so damn little. Another tiny one. All we're catching. A bunch of dinks. Oh, that's a good one. That's a big one, guys. That's a big fish. Please stay on there. Oh, God. We got a tank on. We've got a tank. If it's a smallmouth, it's a big one. Oh, my Lord. It's a big walleye. Giant walleye. There he is, guys. Check that out. Boom. Pretty cool. I'd keep him, but I ain't got a cooler or nothing to put him in. I've been wanting to do a catch and cook, but I'd say he'd probably be no good by the end of the day. He's definitely legal size. That thing's long. That's a 20-inch fish, probably. All right, let's let him go. We got to keep fishing for some smallies. Oh, buddy. Oh, God. Wait. 'Fish on, guys. He's not huge, but we got him. Oh, and I just got hooked. It finally happened. Almost past the barb. Thank God it didn't go past the barb. $12 inches. I've missed a couple really good fish down through this little stretch right here. The last couple times I was on the river on top water. I mean, just, gosh, like, blew up on that thing, knocked my flopper completely out of the water, and both really, there it was right there. Got it. Oh, yeah. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. Stay on there. That's a good one. That's a good one. Speaking of it, it's not a bad fish. That'll help us. Come on, baby. Come on. In the net. Thank you. Not horrible. He'll help the cause. Another 15-incher or so. Drop that anchor. $15-incher. That's our limit, guys, right there. Little 15-inchers. Keep on. But that's what we're gonna stick with that whopper plopper down through here. As I was saying, I've had 2 big fish blow up on the plopper the last 2 times I floated down through this little shallow stretch right here. Been fun. We gotta find quality. You gotta have quality. Oh gosh. There it is. There it is, guys. That feels like a pretty good fish right there. I can't tell. Pretty sure it's a pretty good one. It's not bad. It'll be an upgrade. That'll be our first pull, guys, right there. That'll be our first pull. That'll get delivered about an 11-incher. Oh yeah, what is that? Is that even a bass? Is that a smallmouth? Yes, it is. Pretty decent one. Not a giant, but like I said, he'll get rid of about an 11-incher. He's about 15 or so. Maybe a little bit shorter than that. $15 inches. 4-inch upgrade. See you, buddy. Well, guys, that is going to be a wrap on the river today. We're almost at the ramp. We actually floated past it. We're going to paddle back up. When I get home and it hits 6 o'clock, I'll let you guys know exactly what the standings are and who won. I think right now I'm sitting in first place. I haven't uploaded yet. So, but once, and I think Kyle might have actually worked his way up to second place as of now. There's a lot of people in this tournament that have not uploaded their fish yet. There's about 15 of us. So it's about 4:30 now. We've got about an hour and a half left, and we're gonna see who uploads what, guys. And like I said, I'll post the results at the end of the video. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.